will be reporting application maintenance and monitoring report. So my topic is Lazada. So overview. As a developer of Lazada, the goal is to provide an easy, safe, and convenient online shopping platform where users can buy and sell products anytime. The system must handle millions of transactions, protect sensitive data, and maintain smooth app performance during big sales or high traffic. Overview of Lazada. So Lazada is a large online shopping or e-commerce platform owned by the Alibaba Group, serving over 160 million active users across the Southeast Asia. So as a developer, the main goal of Lazada is to provide users with an easy, safe, and convenient online shopping experience where people can buy and sell products anytime and anywhere. So, yun nga, um, ang goal ng developer is makapag-provide ng convenient online shopping experience sa mga tao. So, yun nga, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng mga mall para lang bumili ng mga products na gusto mo. So, yun, mas easy. Mas i-deliver lang sa'yo. Then, yun na. Then, because Lazada handles millions of transactions every day, the system must perform well during major sales events like 11/11 or 12/12. So, by protecting sensitive user data such as payment and personal information and remain stable and fast even during high traffic, this is why application maintenance and monitoring are essential. So, the importance of application maintenance and monitoring. Application maintenance involves regularly update, fixing, and improving the app, while monitoring focuses on tracking system performance, detecting errors, and preventing downtime for Lazada. Preventing downtime. For Lazada, these processes help fix bugs quickly, improve speed and performance, prevent system crashes during peak traffic, so ensuring secure payment, transaction, and keep users satisfied and loyal. Without proper maintenance and monitoring, user may experience slow loading times, failed payments, and security risks, which could lead them to stop using the platform. So, ayun nga, ang importance ng application maintenance and monitoring. So, kaya mini-maintenance yan dahil sa mga bugs para maging ano siya, ah, convenient siya. Kaya nga ginawa yung Lazada para maging convenient sa mga tao, hindi para lang sa mga maraming bugs na ano, yun. Then para hindi siya mag-crash, para smooth lang ang paggamit ng application. So next agenda, know your audience, building an online presence, etiquette, meetings, and contacts us. Number one, know your audience. Before you sell anything, understand who you're selling to. What do they like? What problems do they want to solve? Knowing your audience helps you offer exactly what they need. So, knowing your audience. Knowing the audience is a key factor in Lazada's success before selling products. Lazada needs to understand what users like, what they search for, and what problems they want to solve. By analyzing user behavior through monitoring tools, Lazada can recommend relevant products, improve the overall shopping experience, and design features that match customers' needs. Understanding the audience allows Lazada to offer exactly what customers want, increasing satisfaction and sales. So, dito naman sa knowing your audience, malaking factor to dahil kung nagtitinda ka ng products dito sa Lazada, so kailangan mong malaman kung ano yung mga trending na products, kung ano yung mabenta, kung ano yung lagi sinesearch ng mga tao. So kung alam mo na lahat 'yon, so yun yung ibebenta mo ngayon. Then kapag na-post mo 'yon, so syempre trending nga yung mga products, then maraming bibili sa'yo. So maraming bibili sa'yo, mas maraming pera ang darating. Build your online presence. Your website or social media is often your customer's first impression. Make sure it's clear, attractive, and easy to use. Use good photos, friendly text, and clear contact info. So, on building an online presence, Lazada's website and mobile application are often the first impression users have for the platform. To build a strong online presence, Lazada focuses on having a clean and attractive design, easy navigation, high-quality product images, and clear descriptions and contact information. Through regular maintenance, outdated content is updated, broken links are fixed, and system performance is optimized to ensure users enjoy a smooth and reliable experience. So, to build a strong online presence, so kailangan maayos yung mga pinopost mo, malinaw yung mga picture, syempre para then yung mga videos, dapat quality yung mga videos na pinopost natin. Hindi lang basta-basta parang yung low quality pictures kasi magdududa yung mga tao kung bakit ganyan yung pictures. Baka walang mag-order. So, kung maganda yung online presence mo din, malilinaw yung mga photos, mga videos. So, syempre, tapos meron pang ano dyan, yung kung engaging ba yung mga videos na naka-post sa account mo. Syempre, kung makakit yung mga tao, makikita nila yung quality ng product. So, yun. Provide good experience. Quick replies, polite conversations, and solving problems fast will keep your customers happy. And happy customers come back and bring friends. It is important to provide training to your staff and on customer service as well. Providing a good customer experience is critical for an e-commerce platform like Lazada. The company prioritizes quick replies to customers' inquiries, polite and professional communication, and fast resolution of issues such as refunds or delivery concerns. By monitoring customer service performance, Lazada can identify delays or frequent complaints and address them immediately. Well-trained customer service staff help users supported and valued, leading to repeat usage, positive reviews, and recommendation. So, providing a good customer experience. So, ito naman, kailangan, halimbawa, may nag-chat sa yung customer kung kailan ba kayo magre-restock ng ganito, ganito, ganyan. Minsan kasi, nagkakamali yung mga seller dito. May naka-post pa na may stock pero sa kanila, hindi nila alam, wala na talaga. So, kailangan regular din nila chine-check yung kanilang mga products kung meron pa ba at ina-update din nila yung sa kanilang account kung may nakasulat pa ba na halimbawa may stock doon. May dalawang stock pa ng bumili ka ng cup, may dalawang stock pa ng ano. Then nag-order ka ng dalawa. Then so yung seller is wala naman parang stock. Naubos na pala yung stock nila pero may nakalagay pa sa ano nila account. So yun, dapat ina-update nila yun yung mga stock nila kung meron pa ba o wala na para hindi magkamali. 3 must-have tips. Post regularly. So stay active so customers don't forget about you. So tracking feedback. Know what works and keep improving. So the third one is offer value. Share helpful tips or fun content, not just promos. There are 3 must-have tips highlighted in the presentation. So first, posting regularly helps keep customers engaged and interested. So yun nga, sabi mo kanina, para dapat nagpo-post ka once every day, kahit once lang or twice. Kung sobrang sipag mo naman, pwedeng 5, ganyan. So, dahil doon, yung mga video na yun, makakatulong sa'yo bilang seller kung seller ka man dito. Then, second, offering value by sharing useful tips, deals, and helpful content, not just promotions. So, building trust din and loyalty. So, ayun, dahil nga sa video, pinapakita mo yung product, yung quality ng product, yun nga. So, mahihingan yung tao na bumili sa'yo. So, pangatlo, tracking feedback through reviews and comments allows continuous improvement. Using the right tools make managing the business more professional and efficient. So, ayun nga. Dahil nga, halimbawa, quality nga yung mga products mo, then yung mga feedback, ng mga nag-order sa'yo, yung mga customer, is mag ano yun, makikita mo yun kung kung paano yung minsan kasi 'pag yung delivery, pagdadating sa mga customer is may mga damage, ganyan, damage and ano, then for sure, masisisi yung mga seller, gano'n. So, ayun, kailangan ano ka din do'n. Then, for example, may damage yung naibigay mo na hindi mo pala napansin. Halimbawa, seller ka, tapos may damage yung naibigay mo, hindi mo napansin. Siyempre, mag-feedback yan. So, kailangan may ano ka, may step ka do'n. Anong gagawin mo do'n? So, minsan, yung mga seller, papadalan ka ulit ng product na walang damage. Then, kung ayun yung mag-aano sa kanila, parang siyempre hindi mawawala yung trust ng customer no sa seller. So mag-order siya ulit. So may tiwala siya kahit ma-receive siyang may damage. So mag-order pa rin siya kasi may binigay naman na bago eh. So yan. So using the right tools makes managing your business easier and more professional. Avoid these mistakes. Overpromising. Be honest about delivery times and product features. Then ignoring questions, unanswered messages can lose you a sale. Common mistakes to avoid. Lazada avoids common mistakes such as overpromising delivery times or product features and ignoring customer questions, which can result in lost sales and damages. Damage trust. Monitoring system help detect these issues early, allowing the company to correct problems quickly and maintain a positive reputation. So ayun nga yung sabi ko kanina, yung ano, ina-avoid nila yung gano'n. Ah, kung seller ka, kailangan i-avoid mo yung mga gano'ng bagay. O kung minsan, siyempre hindi naman natin maiwasan talaga yun. So kailangan, 'pag may halimbawa nga yung kanina, may naipadalang may damage na hindi mo naman alam, so palitan mo na lang. So gano'n lang. In conclusion, application maintenance and monitoring are essential for Lazada's successful operation. They ensure system stability, security, customer satisfaction, and long-term growth by understanding users, maintaining a strong online presence, delivering excellent customer service, and continuously monitoring performance. Lazada remains one of the leading e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia. So that's all, guys. Thank you.